$500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, and we will be checking this out right here in this video. But before we go fully into it, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, can you give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family? Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here. Okay, so these are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so guys, let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay, guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5 minute time frame. This had been on downtrend and of course got to this region. Had the pullback, was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it went back down and of course it is still selling at the moment. So this is still giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. And once it breaks out below the support zone, then it's going to sell more. But if it does not, then we are most likely to see a buying trend right from there. Let's move on to boom 500. This is boom 500. It started an uptrend and of course it has been buying since then, so it is still very much an uptrend. But if it breaks out above this, it's going to buy more. But if it does not, then it's going to sell, because this will be forming a M right from there. Okay, so buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's check it out together. Okay, so guys, this is crash 1000 and this has been on downtrend and of course got to this particular support zone. It has not been able to break out from there, so it pulled back and of course it will be trying it out again. If it breaks out below the support zone, it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back fully into a buy trend. So this is still selling at the moment. It might not be for a very long time, so we should watch out for that. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out together. So guys, this is crash 500 and of course this is on 5 minute time frame. It has been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this resistance, now the pullback, it's going back there again. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. If it does not, then it will go back on downtrend. But at the moment, this is still buying. Okay, next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out together. Okay, so this is volatility 75. It actually started a downtrend right from this resistance zone. You can see this downtrend signal and of course the sell signal. It started selling right from there and of course it is still selling at the moment, even though it is very close to this support zone. If it breaks out below it, then definitely it will keep on selling. If it does not, it will go back on buy trend, but for now this is still selling, so we should watch out for that. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect the trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every aspect of it, practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then,